Your ZZ plant isn't struggling, it's silently storing power, and the moment you fix this, it will explode with thick stems and glossy new growth spikes. Most people think ZZ plants are slow growers or even boring, but here's the truth. Your plant is not slow, it's just waiting for the right trigger. Under the soil, ZZ plants store energy inside thick rhizomes like hidden batteries. When conditions aren't right, the plant goes into survival mode. It pauses growth, conserves energy, and focuses only on staying alive. That's why you might see thin stems, no new shoots, or dull leaves. It's not dying, it's adapting. The real problem, most plant owners accidentally keep their ZZ plant in a constant state of stress. Too much water, too little light, or poor soil conditions confuse the plant. Instead of growing strong, it holds back. But here's the exciting part. Once you correct those conditions, the response is dramatic. ZZ plants don't grow slowly, they grow in bursts. Suddenly, thick green stems shoot up from the soil, followed by shiny, perfect leaves that look almost artificial. In this video, you're going to unlock exactly how to trigger that explosive growth. These are simple changes, but they completely transform your plant. And by the end, you won't just keep your ZZ plant alive, you'll make it thrive like never before. Section 1. Watering Secret. Grow more by doing less. Want your ZZ plant to grow faster? Stop watering it so much. It sounds wrong, but this is the biggest secret behind thick stems and healthy growth. ZZ plants are drought-tolerant for a reason. They store water inside their rhizomes. That means every time you water too often, you're actually weakening the plant instead of helping it. Overwatering is the #1 reason ZZ plants become soft, thin, and lifeless. The roots stay wet, oxygen levels drop, and the plant can't build strong structure. Instead of producing thick stems, it struggles just to survive. Here's the fix. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Not slightly dry, completely dry. Stick your finger deep into the soil or use a moisture meter. If there's any moisture, wait. When you do water, don't just sprinkle. Water deeply until it drains out the bottom. This encourages strong root growth and better energy storage. Think of it like this. Dry periods signal the plant to store energy, and deep watering signals it to grow. That cycle is what triggers those powerful growth spikes. Also, always use a pot with drainage. If water sits at the bottom, it cancels all your efforts. Master this one habit and you'll already see a huge difference. Stronger stems, healthier roots, and a plant that finally starts pushing out new shoots. Section 2. Light equals growth power. Your ZZ plant can survive in low light, but it will only thrive in the right light. This is where most people unknowingly limit their plant's potential. ZZ plants are famous for tolerating low light, which makes them popular for offices and dark corners. But tolerance is not the same as growth. In low light, your plant goes into energy-saving mode. It slows everything down. No new shoots, thinner stems, and smaller leaves. It's just maintaining itself. But when you increase light, everything changes. Bright, indirect light acts like fuel. It boosts photosynthesis, which gives the plant the energy it needs to produce thick stems and those beautiful glossy leaves. You'll notice new growth shoots appear faster, grow taller, and look much healthier. The ideal spot? Near a window with filtered light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, especially in hot climates, because it can scorch the leaves. But don't hide your plant in dark corners either. If your space is naturally dim, even moving your ZZ plant a little closer to a light source can make a huge difference. Watch for signs. Leaning stems means reaching for light. Small leaves means not enough energy. No growth means light is too low. Fix the light and you unlock the plant's true potential. This is one of the fastest ways to trigger visible, exciting growth. Section 3. The Shine Secret and Leaf Health. Want that deep, glossy shine on your ZZ plant? It's not a product, it's a process. Those beautiful, mirror-like leaves are one of the main reasons people love ZZ plants. But if your plant looks dull or dusty, it's not because something is missing, it's because something is blocking it. Dust is the enemy of shine. When dust settles on leaves, it blocks light absorption and reduces photosynthesis. That means less energy, slower growth, and a tired-looking plant. Over time, even healthy plants can start to look lifeless just because they're dirty. The fix is simple but powerful. Take a soft cloth and gently wipe each leaf with water. You can also rinse the plant lightly in the shower if it's small enough. This instantly restores the natural shine and improves the plant's ability to absorb light. Avoid using artificial leaf shine products. They may look good temporarily, but they can clog the leaf surface and interfere with the plant's natural processes. Healthy ZZ leaves should feel firm, smooth, and slightly waxy. That shine is completely natural when the plant is well cared for. This small habit not only improves appearance, but also boosts growth. Clean leaves means more light, means more energy, means stronger stems and faster new shoots. Sometimes the difference between a dull plant and a stunning one is just a few minutes of care. Section 4. Trigger explosive growth spikes. Ready to force your ZZ plant into growth mode? Here's how to trigger those powerful new spikes. ZZ plants don't grow continuously. They grow in bursts. That means you can actually activate growth by giving the plant the right signals at the right time. First, check if your plant is root-bound. If roots are tightly packed, it limits growth. Repotting into a slightly larger container gives the plant space to expand and often triggers new shoots. Second, feed your plant during the growing season. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks in spring and summer. This provides the nutrients needed for strong, thick stems. Third, warmth matters. ZZ plants grow faster in warm environments. Keep them in a stable, comfortable temperature. Avoid cold drafts or sudden changes. And fourth, consistency is key. Don't constantly change watering, light, or location. Stability helps the plant build momentum and use its stored energy effectively. When all these factors align, you'll see it happen. Thick green spikes pushing out of the soil, growing rapidly and unfolding into perfect glossy leaves. It's one of the most satisfying transformations you can watch as a plant owner. Stop overwatering, give it light, and let it breathe. That's the secret. Your ZZ plant doesn't need constant attention. It needs the right conditions. Treat it a little tougher, a little drier, and a little brighter, and it will reward you with strong stems and stunning growth spikes. Once you understand how it works, everything changes. And the best part, this plant keeps getting better over time.